Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 20th to the 26th, the week of Thanksgiving and Black Friday. So we're going to dive right into this video. So the first piece of business that I would like to touch on is that none of us have received a booster, and this is good news. I'm thinking that maybe with Black Friday, perhaps on earlier in the week, like Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, a nice booster will show up for all of us. Wouldn't that be nice? But there is no booster as of yet. And if we get a second flyer, which they've done before in the past, I will make future videos on deals. I'm thinking possibly maybe something will show up in the app for us. They've done that before in years past. And for those of you that love everything Christmas, I put out my ceramic tree with a custom Walgreens ornament that a friend of mine made a couple years back. I just thought I would share this with you. Okay, so looking at the deals of the week cover, we have the totes footwear for $9.99. I believe those slippers are anywhere between $14 to $19.99. 40% off of the Soap and Glory gift sets, which are always really expensive. BOGO 50% off on various games. Interesting. We also have Wet n Wild has a couple digital coupons, but that Snoopy collection is very adorable. 25% off of the Maybelline mini eye bar kits. I'm curious if all the gift sets will be 25% off like they're doing at Rite Aid next week. We'll have to wait and see on that one. That would be very nice. The next slide, we have BOGO free on bicycle playing cards. I mean, I guess a really good stocking stuffer or somebody who loves to play cards, a really good gift. And the same promotion on children's card games and toys, but that looks like a Barbie reveal. So we'll have to wait and see what is included with the BOGO free. That'd be nice if it was like all the toys. Also, $19.99 for this 3-pack of the Yankee candles. So these are the pillar candles. Typically this is $29.99, so that is $10 off. I'm just pointing that out right here. Guys, I think this is the last week for this promotion of buy two, get the third for free on skincare. So I just wanted to look in a different avenue on some products that you might like to gift for Christmas. Or if you want to do a Merry Christmas to specifically to you, this might be something to pick up. These 17-ounce bottles of the Hemp's body lotion, and I think there are some Christmas ones like Candy Cane and a couple other scents. $19.99 on a buy two, get the third for free. Grabbing 3 of those, it would be $13.98. Shaking it out to $13.32 each. You throw this in anyone's stocking, they would be so happy. And again, this is 17 ounces, so it's a lot of lotion. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or a store register reward to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, the next deal that we have, guys, is with the Dr. Bronner's products. Again, on that same promotion of buy two, get the third for free. So this is what we're doing, grabbing 3 of those for $9.98. And so they're $3.32 each. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay down the tax. Again, if you like to gift this stuff because it's a little bit more fancy, that's really cool. I also did check like the Burt's Bees gift sets and stuff, like it's skincare. Would it also be part of the buy two, get the third for free? And I did not see that online. So you'd have to buy like products like the bar soap, or alternatively, this Dr. Bronner's product, which are the lip balms for $3.49. So grabbing 3 of them on the same promotion of buy two, get the third for free. I wish Dr. Bronner's made a Christmas gift set too. Wouldn't that be nice? Grabbing 3 of these products for $6.98. It shakes out each lip balm to $3.32. And they come packaged in like that cardboard, so it's really nice. $2.32. It's a really nice little stocking stuffer. If you wish to use Walgreens cash or a store register reward, I would do that. Hopping right into the deals of the week, we have the 7-Up 3 for $11.99. I saw that last week. Like it was like 3 for $17.98 or something. Really expensive. BOGO free on the chips. BOGO free on the Cheerios. $12.99 for the Tide. I believe we have a $3 digital for that. Dropping it down to like $9.99 for a big Tide. And let's just dive into these deals now. $5 or $8 for the various Pantenes, $4 reward when you buy 2. And we have a 3 off of 3 digital coupon. So we're going to go for 3 of the cheaper Pantenes at $5 a pop, which is $15. Subtracting that 3 off of 3, you're paying $12, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you wish. Just a way to get some inexpensive shampoo. I love they have a conditioner in a tube. It is like magic in a tube, so I hope that's included. The next little dealio that we have is with the Tresemme. This is a deal for some very inexpensive shampoo. On Sunday, we're going to have a 5 off of 2 digital, so we're definitely going to have to be all over that app next week for the Black Friday and these digital coupons. So 2 of them is $12. Subtracting that 5 off of 2, you're paying $7 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And let's just say you wanted to do the Pantene deal and this Tresemme deal. With that $4 register reward, it's only going to print out once per transaction. So what you would have to do is do 2 separate transactions, guys, for all the new shoppers out there. That's how you'd make it happen. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Olay body wash, $7, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital. Gosh, I wish we had a higher value than that. $4 reward when you buy 2. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, this rebate's been like lurking for the longest time. So if it's still available on Sunday, let's throw it into a deal. Grabbing 3 of these body washes for $21, subtracting that 2 off of 2, you're paying $19, getting back a $4 register reward and $5 from the IBOTTA app, making it $10 for the 3 or $3.33 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance with this deal as long as you're not doing it with a booster. If we had like a 5 back when you spend 20, it would make it a sweeter deal, but nobody's seen a booster in sight. So anyhow, we'll have to wait and see how this one plays out. The next deal that we have is with the Crest Burt's Bees Dental Care, Oral-B as well. $4 each, and we have a 3 off of 2. So grabbing 2 of the Crest toothpaste for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. And if you're doing this deal on its own, like without a booster, we don't have one right now, it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. This is a really good deal, $4.69 for these 6 packs of the Angel Soft. I think I'm going to be loading up on this. $3 reward when you buy 3. We currently have this digital coupon right now, guys, which is $1 off. On Sunday morning, I'm just curious if a second one will show up for us, because if it does, that's extra savings. But this is what we're working with right now. IBOTTA has a rebate for scented Angel Soft, and I believe Walgreens doesn't sell the scented toilet paper. Here's the math for this one, guys. 3 of those toilet papers is $14.07. Subtracting the digital, you're paying $13.07, getting back a $3 register reward. So it's $10.07 for the 3, shaking it out to $3.35 per 6-pack. This toilet paper lasts a really long time as well, at least in my bathroom. And it is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you want to. But just a really solid toilet paper deal. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions, and a lot of this is going to be food related as well. We have this promotion of $5 Walgreens gift card when you buy 2. It's usually $25 of either the Movie, Cabela's, Bass Pro. Nice stocking stuffer. So buy 2 for $50 and then get the $5 Walgreens gift card. Pretty nice. We also have a ton of food little deals. BOGO free on the chips. Buy 2, get 1 for free on Pepsi. 2 for $8. For the Cheetos, definitely check your IBOTTA account, any rebates for any of this. $5.99 for the Trail Mix by Nice. They had one called Magic Mix back in the day I used to love. 2 for $10 for the Oscar Mayer Bacon. That's a really good deal. 2 for $3 for the Brownie Mix. Make a tray of brownies for your neighbors. That is a Christmas gift. Put a bow on it. Whole bunch of cookies and stuff, 2 for $6 or 2 for $7. And the last slide, more candy, 2 for $7. I know there's an IVC and a digital for the Kisses. And then BOGO, 40% off for the different like little kid lifesavers packs and that sort of thing for Christmas. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.